Jamga Gunrani Toy Suba Manipur Police Rising Degi Thora Manipur ke Chief Minister Rongthamang Birena Chief Guest Oiduna 1st Battalion Manipur Rifles ke Parade Ground da Pangtokhrei. Thora Maduda Union Minister of State for External Affairs and Education Dr. R.K. Ranjan, MP Ningthausana Jawba Laisemba Cabinet Minister Singh, Lengak Paibada Yawba MLA Singh, Magok Thongba Police amadi Civil ki Officer Singh Su Sarkyaki. Thora Maduda Manipur ke Chief Minister N. Birena Hai, May ahumdaki thokliba thaudok asida laikhidraba miyoi singhi manungda Manipur Police amadi Paramilitary Forces ke miyoi tarama thoina ima leibaki damak thawaina pontha pikraba imung manung singi awaba sarugyaduna awaba fongdoke Rising Degi Thoram asida uniform da leriba pumnamakna magi duty masak khangna thabak tawgadabani ima leibaki damak mathau masak khangna thaksi khasi yauna thabak tawna ba police personnel singda appeal tawke lonena police personnel lising nifuni thoi da hana dagi pidon lakliba ration money adu ngasi dagi lupa chonga hengana piragani haina thajaba pike makha taraduna NB na haikibada thokliba irang asida police headquarters singdadi lakhiba Khulai sing adu numitara mangani gi manungda pikhalakna ba haikiba aduda kaya amadi pikhalakle numitara manga helaba matung combing operation chathaduna khulai kya fagat pa hore amadi volunteer singna su pikhalak pa hore amadi niyom kaina khulai paituna leiriba miyoi singna police da nongmai sinarakpa matamda karigumba logi oiba charak piroi haina mari leinaba singda nongmai pikhalakna ba appeal tawke
Manipur is now I am full of appeal to once state ki uniform state ki thabok da chang khangadi aikoi na leiba community quick line da haidok kogi thabok wakhal se boi mind shakli lo thokada once I police ko rakhagadi ai bharat ki nagarik mani adu Manipur ki praja mani Manipur ki 𝐼 battalion sindagi police headquarters sindagi police station sindagi और चिंगा मधी तमनी मक्तगी लाखिबा खुलाई सिंगदु औखिबा निमितरागा मंगानी आइना मतम पीरगा मधुगी मनुंगा सिनबिनबा सरेंडर तोबिनबा ना हाइकिबनी मधु खरा मखैगी लाखवा होरे अदुगा मधुगी 15 days दु लोयरबा मतुंगा और हिलेन रैली अनि मक्ता सतबा ऑपरेशन दा ह्यूज arms and ammunition were recovered away, even of the grenade launcher yauna. Twins murder yauna we recovered over Assam Rifle, Paramilitary Forces, BSF, CRPF, ITBT, Manipur Police. Yauna joint combined operation Toroga we July. Mayam se Bharat away. Adu the concern was in the like by river, illegally by river. Even now away. Amukana appeal to Giri. Yalagadi Madhu Kulai Shimadu Amado Tanga Tarokanda, Manipur Sarkar Yonanaba, Manipur Police Yonanaba, Shinabirak Nabatovio, Adu Gumashinarapa, Paladari Shinarapa, Singapore Makana Mataki, case, FIR, Singapore, Matoro, Haidana, Yamukahana, Yada Tokiri.
The State Police Department, in close coordination with Army, Assam Rifles, and CRPF, immediately took steps to evacuate all the affected persons and set up temporary relief camps. As a part of the state government and the state police, the war on drugs is being carried out in all its earnest. We have been giving major focus on the destruction of poppy plantations in the interior areas of the state. During the last 12 months, 3,037 acres of poppy plantations were destroyed by the combined teams of NAB, district police and security forces at various places. 403 cases have been registered and 443 persons, including 50 poppy cultivators, have been arrested in connection with this.